Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to a moving kit video. I will be transparent. Some of the moving kit did get put away, but I got a pretty decent amount out. This is a photo of Chloe and I. This is when we went to see the Barbie movie. I have a photo of Christopher and I too, but for some reason I guess I didn't take a photo of the three of us together. Anyway, who knows about that? But I got my photo, my kit, so let's see what I can do. Alright guys, so I went ahead and picked out this Vicki Boutin floral paper because I wanted a bright, fun paper, considering we were at the Barbie movie. Felt that that was totally appropriate there. So I have done that, and then I decided to tear it apart and only use a part of it, which is great, right? Because the other side is this pink ledger paper, which is fabulous. So super excited about being able to use that as well. And then I put it over top of this kind of rainbow wavy grid paper. And on the back, it's just some little white florals with leaves. So nothing where I'm like, oh man, that is fabulous paper and I need some of it. So I wasn't worried about that at all. I also used some of this authentique paper, which is special, right? My companies that aren't around anymore or are difficult to get right now are special, right? Like my basic gray is special. My authentique is special. My October afternoon is special. Shoot, my cocoa vanilla is special because she's not selling right now to the US, and that sucks, you guys. Sucks hard. I'm thinking I've even been like, maybe I need to buy some from my shop, but you know, I haven't gone that route yet. Because I am trusting and hoping and praying that she will sell again to the US. So anyway, getting a little bit distracted there. Okay, so I am thinking about putting this sticker binder clip up there because that is something I like to do, to have that kind of over a photo like that. And then I go and pull out this little fringe heart that I have tried a couple times now to put on a layout, and it just does not happen. Didn't feel like it really fit. So I was like, let's try some stickers. So a very flat layout. You know, I think that that is good, right? If every single layout that you do is lumpy and bumpy, you're not going to fit them into your album. And if every single layout you do is super flat, you can fit a lot more pages in the album, but then they're going to get really heavy, right? So it's a little bit of give and take and just kind of having that variety, and that's what makes me happy. I'm going to do some of these stickers. We're going to say hip hip hooray. We're going to say awesome. I'm going to have some other words that I place on here. I threw these two little banners down here at the bottom because I felt like it needed a little bit of decoration on the page. I'm also going to create kind of a sticker cluster on the left-hand side above this long sticker. The long sticker is where I'm going to do my journaling, and yes, I do the journaling, and it is done, so go me. I would have to look up the date of this because I don't exactly remember. But Chloe and I got cocktails. There's this place called Big Picture. It's in Issaquah, Washington, and it's really awesome. They have a small amount of seats in the theater, and you can eat and drink, and they deliver to you. And it's just a fabulous fun time. So we got the special cocktail for the movie, and it is the Ken cocktail. I think it might have had a fancier name than the Ken cocktail, but I don't remember what it is. But it is a very beautiful blue that kind of matches the blue in the top paper here. With the floral. So as you can see, I am building up this little sticker cluster here. We got some label stickers, some decorative stickers, that floral sticker, which I thought was a pretty awesome color combo. Figured that that worked out well. And then I'm also going to put on these little paint splatters that are gold foil with the sticker. Because why not? Why not get a little bit more gold sparkle on there? I'm also going to add a tab in here, and for no other reason other just to give it a little bit more over here where the stickers are, right? Now, if I was doing this as a lumpy bumpy layout, some of these things would be popped up on foam. But like I said, flat layouts are good. And then I also used the gold paint splatter, so I didn't even do any mixed media on this page. So a nice, clean, flat layout that still has gold foil on it and still bright and fun and lots of color on there. So anyway, guys, that is going to do it for this layout. Let me know. I don't know. Let me know whatever you want me to know. Anyway, guys, that is going to do it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.